everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are brand new here. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to customize your home screen on iOS 14. I know this is like everywhere at the moment, but I really just wanted to show you guys how to do it, how I did it, what I did on my phone, all of that jazz. Subscribe if you are new here for more videos like this, and if you want to see how I customized my iPhone home screen, then just keep on watching. Okay, so upon unlocking my lock screen, this is what we are greeted with. So this is my first page of my phone. So the first page I have gone for theme wise, I've gone for the trench era for 21 Pilots. So I've got Josh there, I've got Tyler down there, and then I've got this widget at the top which has the time, the date, my battery percentage, and what day it is. Obviously if you swipe to the right, you have like the little widgets on the side, so you can see I've got like one that tells me my phone's percentage and my AirPods percentage. I've got the date, I've got like news, and then if we scroll down a little bit more, I've got my app activity, which is horrendous. Can I just say I have spent an hour on TikTok, which is probably not healthy. And then I've got my sub count for my YouTube at the bottom there. And so coming off of that, this is what I have on my front. Then I'm just going to swipe to the left, and this is my middle page. So I have got a blurry face theme on this one. So I've got Tyler up there, I've got the two of them and the confetti, and I've got blurry face in the middle, which is a widget that I wrote the text for. And then I have all my apps, so I have like the notes, reminders, app store settings. Then if I swipe to the left again, I've got my last page, which is themed around the Vessel era for 21 Pilots. So I've got like this little widget at the top with the lyrics, and then I've got two more pictures. So there is a bit as well where you can obviously swipe to the left again. So if I swipe to the left here, you can see it puts it into like categories for you. So I've got like entertainment, shopping, other games, all sorts of stuff like that. What you can do is click on the thing at the top that says app library, and here you can just search for like any apps you want. So I could search for like Twitter and it will be there. It's really easy to find apps this way, I find, rather than just scrolling through your home screen. You can actually look for something directly now, which I think is really, really cool. So now I'm just going to be showing you how I did some of these widgets for my home screen. You can also customize the icons for your apps, but I have decided not to do that just because I don't like the way that it kind of works in regards to taking you to the shortcuts app and then taking you to the actual app you need. So primarily I'm just going to be showing you how to customize the widgets. So what we'll do is I'll take you to my last page where I've got like a little bit of room to chuck a widget in there. So to do the widgets, you're going to need to download an app called Widgetsmith, which is the one in the bottom left here with the little blue squares. So what you want to do is click on that, and that will open up, and you can see here it has all the widgets that I have on my lock screen, home screen thing at the moment. So you can see you can get small widgets, medium widgets, and large widgets. So for this one, I want to do so I'll show you, for example, if we do a medium widget here, you click add medium widget, and that will create a new one, which you can see is called medium number 5, and that is just automatically a calendar, but you can change it to be whatever one you want. So if you click on default widget, it will take you to this page here where you can have different styles of widgets that you want. So you can have a day and date widget, and you can have a custom widget, which is like a photo, a text, or just a blank widget. You can also have a calendar widget, which has like upcoming events or an outlook on your week that you have coming up. You can have reminders. You can have a weather one, which you do have to pay for. So obviously, I'm sure there's a way to get like a free weather app, but you can pay for one of these if you would like to use that. There's a health and activity one, there's tides, there's astronomy, which I think is really nice. You can see when the sun rises or sets, you can see what the moon is going to be like for that night, and you can see the star map for that day, which I think is really, really cute. For example, if we wanted to do a time widget, if I just clicked this time one here, I can select where I want the time to show. You can also change the font. So you have quite a fair few fonts to choose from. So if I chose New York, for example, you can choose the tint color, you can choose what color you want it to be on your screen. So if I went for like a red, and you can choose the background color. So let's go for, I don't know, Let's go for white. You can also change the time format, which I think is pretty cool. So you can have it as like an analog clock, you can have it as a digital clock, you can have it with the PM after it, or just the short AM, PM, which I think is really cool. So if we just go for the standard system setting there, then you want to click back, so the medium number 5 button, and then you want to click save. And then what you can do here is once that's saved, you can see it's exactly what we've done here. Then you want to come out of that app and you want to hold down one of your widgets or apps or whatever and just click edit home screen, just so all the apps are doing the little wiggle thing. If we search for the Widgetsmith app and click on that one, then the widget size we created was a medium widget. So you want to scroll, over to medium widgets, click add widget, and then that will add the most recent widget that you created. If it doesn't add the one that you want, you can always click the widget and click it again and select whichever one you wanted to use. But for now, obviously it is the right one, so we are cool and okay. And then you can just go ahead and click done in the top right corner, and that will display on your phone. Obviously you can hold it and click edit home screen, and you can move it to wherever you want to have it. If you wanted it at the bottom, if you wanted it onto another page, example, all like that. So alongside that, you can also create like photo widgets. You can create like large, small, or like medium ones like I just showed you. I'm just going to show you a small one. So again, we can go into the Widgetsmith app and we can click add small widget here. Click on that widget you want. And again, you can do like the time, the date, custom calendar, and it will just be like smaller versions of that. So for this one, we want to do a photo. So you're going to click on photo just here and click selected photo, and then this will take you to your photo album and you can choose any photo you want to use. So I'm going to use this one of Tyler just here. And I'm going to come out of that and click save. Obviously, it has taken it onto a separate page because it won't fit with my layout, but as you can see, it's not the photo we wanted. So you just click that one, click the widget on the right, and click small number 7, and that is the one that we want. So you can see, and there is the photo of Tyler that we want. What I am going to show you now is how to do this widget on my very first screen, which is actually a different app. So it's this little one here next to Widgetsmith. So you want to click that one. This one's really, really cool. It does only allow you to do date and time, so like a calendar one almost, but there is so many options for this one. Like there's a lot more than just the standard date and time one that's on Widgetsmith. You can see active widget, that's the one I currently have. But if you want to make a new one, so for example, let's go for this pink one here. So if we click on that one, we can click edit. And this one, you can have a small, medium, or a large widget. So if we go for a medium, like the one I've done there, and you can choose if you want it light, dark, or coloured. You change the font of the text there. So if we go for this little one here, and this one you can add a photo to as well. So for example, if I wanted to have like that, like this lyric header thing, you can put it there, and that will look like that. And then you can click set widget, and that's all done. You can choose the one, so you can see that's just the one we've done. You can click add, and it will appear just there, and that's the one you have. And that is how you would customize your home screen. That is how I customize my iPhone home screen with iOS 14. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, do remember to subscribe down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.